video we will discuss about chemical kinetics chapter. So let us start. So thermodynamics tells about the feasibility of a reaction, but kinetics tells about the rate of a reaction. So let us define the rate. Rate is nothing but change in concentration of a reactant or product divided by change in time. So this is known as rate of a reaction. So then we have a rate law, or it is known as rate expression. So rate expression gives the relationship between rate of a reaction with the reactants or the product of a reaction. So this if we have a reaction like this, A of A plus B of B gives C of C plus D of D, then rate expression. So rate is directly proportional to A raised to X, B raised to Y. So X and Y are the experimentally determined terms. So in this case, rate, that is minus dr divided by dt, is equals to K A raised to X into B raised to Y. Right, so this last expression is known as rate expression, or this one is known as rate expression. So then we have one more important definition. This is known as rate order of a reaction. So the sum of the powers of concentration terms, concentration of reactants, the rate law expression is known as order of a reaction. So units of rate constant. So if we consider this general reaction where A of A plus B of B gives C of C plus D of D, so then rate is equal to K E raised to X into B raised to Y. So here in this case, so if you take the sum of this sum of concentration powers of this concentration terms, so that itself is known as the order of reaction. So we'll consider this one. So let us find the unit of nth order reaction. So K is equal to rate divided by A raised to X, B raised to Y, concentration divided by time into 1 divided by concentration raised to N. So in other words, concentration raised to 1 minus N divided by time, where A is equal to B. If we consider this condition, so then SI unit of concentration is mole per liter and time it is in seconds. So for that reason, so if it is a zero order reaction where N is equal to 0, so units mole per liter divided by second into mole per liter raised to 0. So then the units are mole per liter per second. So if we consider N is equal to 1 in the case of first order reaction, unit mole per liter divided by second into mole per liter raised to 1. So at that time, for the first order reaction, the units are per second. So second order, N is equal to 2, unit mole per liter divided by second into mole per liter raised to 2. So in this case, mole per mole liter per second. So then we have one more concept that is known as molecularity of a reaction. The number of reacting species, atom, ions or molecules taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction. So this is known as molecularity of a reaction. So integrated rate equation. So we'll consider this one. So for zero order reaction where reactant give product, so K is equal to R0 minus R divided by T, where R0 is the initial concentration, R is the concentration at time T. So then K is equal to A minus X divided by T. So then K is equal to X divided by T. So here R is the concentration at a time T and R is nothing but A minus X. So if we plot a graph of concentration R versus time, so then we're going to get a line with negative slope. So this K is equal to negative of slope, and this the intercept in axis Y is R0. So then we'll consider the first order reaction where reactant give product. So in this case, so if you can plot the two types of graphs. one is log R versus time, where it is, so we're going to get a slope with negative slope. So this k is equal to minus of slope, and so this graph, and here we're going to get the intercept, so that is log R naught. So we can plot one more graph. So this particular first graph is related to this one, R is equal to R naught e raised to minus k into t. So we can plot one more graph, that is log R naught minus R versus log R naught divided by R versus time. So in this case here we're going to get the straight line with 0 intercept. So here in this case slope is equal to k divided by 2.303. So k is equal to 2.3 divided by t log R naught divided by R. So this is the final equation. In other words, so k is equal to 2.303 divided by t log a divided by a minus x. So then we have this half-life of a reaction. So t half is equal to 0.693 divided by t. So for zero order reaction, so t half is proportional to R naught. So for first order reaction, t half is independent of R naught, right? So this is it. So then we have temperature dependence of rate of reaction. For a reaction with the rise in temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, the rate constant is nearly doubled. Arrhenius equation, k is equal to a e raised to minus a divided by r into t. So here a is the Arrhenius factor or frequency factor or free exponential term. R is the gas constant, A is the activation energy. So then we have this one. So this is related to this Arrhenius equation. So if we consider the Arrhenius equation at two different temperatures, so at that time we're going to get the two different rate constant. Log k2 divided by k1 is equal to A divided by 2.303 R bracket 1 minus n1 minus n2. In other words, log k2 divided by k1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 R t2 minus t1 divided by t1 t2. So here we're going to get one graph ln k versus 1 divided by t. In this case here we're going to get the line with negative slope. So this intercept is ln a, slope is equal to minus a divided by r. So we'll consider this one. Collision theory for chemical reactions. Modified Arrhenius equation, k is equal to p ZAB e raised to minus a divided by r into t. So here in this case this Z is collision frequency. In other words, the number of collisions per second per unit volume of reaction mixture. ZAB is the collision frequency of reactant A and B. E raised to minus a divided by r is the fraction of mole with energy equal or greater than EA, or this activation energy. P is the probability or steric factor, that is the molecule must be properly oriented, right? So this is all about chemical kinetics. So thank you very much for listening this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.